personally, I just want to get this out of the way.
All right.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm gonna cry. I really am gonna cry.
Okay, hold on, wait for me.
Let me just double check to make sure it's rolling before I do this.
Okay. Wait, what size is yours? Is it... This isn't good. Ready?
1. Oh my gosh. The storm's a brewing. It's not as bad as I thought yet.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna get worse though.
I feel it in my...
I think my body went into shock a little bit. Felix, no! My ears. My ears.
Yeah, my ears are going. I don't want to breathe out.
Here.
Oh! No! I want to put ice in my ears. I don't want to eat those.
I think that's the hottest thing I've ever eaten. Safe to say.
What?
You think that's the hottest thing you've had? Louis said, because Louis said he'd had hotter.
Louise is a liar.
It hurts to breathe out. I cried a little bit.
I'm crying. I laughed.
I think it's starting to die down. Honestly, that wasn't as bad as I thought. But it was bad.
I want more ice cream.
You out? I'll get some more.
Oh my god.
I was gonna go for it.
Okay.
He's the Trinidad scorpion.
I might pig out on this one.
That's okay. I don't blame you.
Hold on.
We live really close to a hospital, so.
That's true. Actually, a big shout out to Louise because he ate this
At school.
and he didn't drink anything until the breakfast line was open, which was like 16 minutes afterwards.
During finals week.
Mm-hmm. You didn't need no ice cream. Kudos.
Like, I'm really afraid to just bring this close to my mouth.
I'm scared for you, and I'm not even gonna eat it.
I can't do it. I'm gonna do it, but I can't.
Scared. Hold on.
Are you gonna feed it to me?
Good, you can't do it yourself.
I'll do it. I'll do it. That's instant. My nostrils just. What have I done? What have I done? I need water just to get it down. Oh my gosh. Oh, what have I done? I might throw up.
I'm not laughing at you, that's just, I can't react any other way, man.
That's okay. I'd laugh at me too. I'd laugh if I didn't hurt.
Alright. What did I just eat?
You had the ghost pepper?
I had the ghost. The ghost is dying down on me. But seeing your reaction made me kind of scared.
Ah! Ah!
I'm so sorry.
Look, I'm crying. Look.
No, you're not yet.
I feel
Tears aren't spilling out.
They're watering though.
Oh, man.
Oh gosh. Ah.
Dude, should I get you more milk?
I have a lot left.
Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna eat that a little later. I wouldn't just throw it.
That could be a different video.
Well, actually, the ghost doesn't have like a very long lasting effect. It's not as bad as I thought. Like, it wasn't nasty. Had a little bit of tang. And I... Go to the bathroom! one's the scorpions and which one's the ghost?
You, the scorpions.
Please don't come here.
I'm not gonna. I need more milk.
Okay. Wipe your nose.
Okay.
I'm scared to touch my eyes. It would have been sad if you weren't on video at all.
Yeah. We'd have to do it again.
Popcorn flavors. For a limited time. Well,
I'm not gonna throw.
there's a bucket right there.
I'm not gonna throw out though.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Excuse my manners, but. Oh.
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 Okay.
I need more. But yeah, it says you can use this in popcorn flavorings or something.
I ain't stupid.
Yeah.
Well, at least these tongs are still here.
They didn't disintegrate like our tongues.
My tongue is still kind of disintegrating.
I think I made it over the hard part though. I gotta save these for next year in Spanish class. I'm gonna put them in salsa on food day. And then tell people that it's very hot and they won't believe me.
Okay. You do that.
And they're gonna like.
Oh, they're gonna cry. I hope they cry. Hope all the white people are gonna be like, what's going on? Oh no. Well, this video isn't very exciting. If I were to eat it right now, I'd be scared.
That's why I found them online instead of, because like the ones that they had on a certain website, which I won't name names for product placement purposes, people said they found maggots in them, so that's never good.
Let's give one to Felix.
No! I didn't realize you were joking until after you said it.
Okay.
I thought you were serious at first. No!
Make him smell it. Okay.
I think that's the end of the entertaining part. Let me let this sit, see if it's still hot. And it's still hot, but it's...
But you're not coughing.
Yeah, so
you're not dying.
The entertaining part's over. Oh well, the end, I guess.
Please subscribe.
If you want, like or dislike.
This is selfless, selfish, self-promoting.
Yay.
Yay.